Pull the lever to release the side guides. Place a stack of documents between the side guides, and adjust the side guides as needed using the wheel on the right. Move the side guides apart as far as possible with the thumb wheel. Place a stack of documents or BREs between the side guides. Move the side guides towards the enclosures with thumb wheel. Be sure to pay close attention to the max levels. The space between the side guides and the enclosures should be such that the enclosures have just enough play to move freely. Place a stack of documents or BREs between the side guides. Place documents with trailing edge down. Place BREs with leading edge down and the flap at the support side. Release the support and load media.